reviewing and approving a cycle count in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to read the variance, send an item back for a recount, and approve so the inventory adjustment posts. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Purchasing Cycle Counts from your dashboard. Once a cycle count is submitted, someone needs to review it before it changes your actual inventory. Open the count and you'll see every item that was counted with the system's expected quantity, the quantity that was physically counted, and the variance between them. Go through any item with a variance and confirm it looks reasonable. A small variance is normal, but a large one might mean a miscount worth double-checking before you approve. If something looks wrong, you can send that item back for a recount rather than approving it as is. When you're satisfied the numbers are accurate, click Approve Count. Approving posts an inventory adjustment for every variance, bringing your system quantities in line with what was physically counted, and logs the adjustment for your records, including anything TTB relevant. Once approved, the count moves to your history and can't be edited further.